how it came. You can get this. Like, the stickers are so cute. This will save you a whole lot of money. I just wanted like the whole vibe. They influenced me on Instagram, so what I ordered versus what I got, I wanted to get it. This is just the two colors that are left. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Pamela, and just in case you're seeing this beautiful face for the very first time, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. This channel is all about natural hair, skincare, lifestyle, and every other thing in between. Today's video, I'm going to be unboxing all the packages, all the goods I got from AliExpress. So this is how it came, just like in two, but there are a lot of things inside of it, and I'm going to be showing you all my goods. And I'm also going to be telling you like how you can order on AliExpress, just in case you don't want to watch my previous AliExpress series or AliExpress videos. You can just like watch this video to understand how you can order by yourself on AliExpress. Let's go. So inside the first package, I have this. I have a couple of things like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it came like in 2 batches. So this came first, then the other one came next. Then for the first batch, this one, I think from the touch of it is like the beads. I wanted to do like a style I always see in Pinterest, like Instagram, TikTok. So I wanted to do like twists, but spice it up with beads. So I got like wooden beads, not the regular like beads that I have like where I stay in my local market. I mean like these nice cute beads, very nice. I'm going to leave all the prices on the screen, and if I can get the link, I'm going to also leave the link in the description box down below. But I think this actually cost, because I have like all the prices written out so that I don't like tell you something that it is not. So this costs 780 naira. Then with shipping, the total was 1,104 naira. But in dollars, it was $1.68. So this was the one I got. I think it's 50 bits or so. It is a mix of black, cream, and brown. So I actually can't wait to try this out. I've not done twists. I've not actually done my hair in a long time. Like that's why I'm wearing wig. So when I try this out, you're going to see it on this channel. Yeah, the next thing is this. Okay, I also got like this skincare item, which is like the razor blade. It's actually 3, but I've opened it before. Yes, let me confess, I've opened majority of these packages before, but I wanted to film it for you guys so you can see the quality items that you can also get on AliExpress. If you know how to shop, you'll be able to get quality items, and it's very simple. Just make sure that you download the app. Don't shop from the website. It doesn't pay to shop from the website, because once you download the app, you also get like a user bonus that you can also get like your first order for free, like just one item. So this is how it came. And one thing I like about this eyebrow like razor is that it can also serve as a protective knife, just in case, for ladies, men, anyone. It also serves like a protective weapon sort of. So this is how it looks like. It is like this is how it looks like. They use it for like skin shaving, but because of my bumps on my face, I've not like done any of that. And you fold it just like this. Once you put it in your purse, no one can know that you are actually carrying a knife around. This is it. Very cute, very portable, and it also comes in, it came in 3 colors: pink, blue, and cream. But for the cream, I'm already using the cream already, so this is just the 2 colors that are left. Very cute, very nice, and very portable. I even like it, like if I'm holding it in my arms, apart from like it showing out, you actually will not know that this is a knife. So the next package is this package. Okay, so this package is straws. If you are very like active on TikTok, you will notice that these straws, they were trending for a while, even on Instagram, especially on lifestyle creators, and I wanted to get it. So this is how it came. It was actually 5 straws, and 1 is already in use. So it came in 3 straight straws and 1 curved straw, and what you can use to like clean it off, like the brush you can use to wash the straws off. And I actually got the ones that are stainless steel. Let me show you it. I got ones that are stainless steel instead of getting like the plastic. I don't know why, but I just wanted like the whole vibe. Let me see if I can. Yes, the straws cost 906 naira. That's without shipping, and with shipping it costs 1,104 naira. But I'm going to leave like the original price in dollars on the screen so you can get it if you want to. It's just really nice if you just want to give yourself that cool, nice, chilled feeling. Yes, so this is why I got it. They influenced me on Instagram, so I have to get my own. Then the next package. Okay, this is like my favorite purchase of everything I got. This purchase is a pack of earrings, and I think they're around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, there are 9 earrings, 9 quality, beautiful earrings. So one thing I also noticed on AliExpress is like getting silver items last longer than gold items. This should not be something new. And like I'm wearing a silver accessory, and look at how nice it is. But this is not actually from this pack. This is how it looks like. I really, really love how it is, especially like I'm going to show you up close so you can see what I'm saying. Especially like this first roll, it is very nice, like the butterfly one, the one that looks like half of a moon, and the studs are super super cute. Yeah, these are the studs. I mean, the studs are cute. You have like the pearl shape, the one that looks like diamond, but we know it's fake diamond, and the star. Then the hoops also, like, they are really really nice. I really really love this package, and I think, how much did I even write that it cost? I think it cost 915 naira. So there were different earrings that you can actually buy from the vendor I bought. If I can find the link and it is still valid, I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below so you can also order yours. And it's actually quality. I've worn one of the earrings like 3 times now and it has not faded. I was actually surprised. I even slept with the earrings. So when I woke up and I saw that, oh, this thing has not faded, I wore it again the next day and I was like, okay, this thing has not faded. So this is actually a very nice purchase for anyone. Like, if you like studs, if you like earrings that are not loud, if you like hoops, this will save you a whole lot of money. If you want to buy it in Nigeria or in the local market, they will sell one of these hoops for around maybe 600, and I got 9 for 900 and something. So this is what the price. You can check it out. I've also gotten like golden accessories on AliExpress, but after some times they like faded away. Like, even some of it, after one wear it faded away, while some I've been used it for like 5 times and it didn't fade. So this was a good purchase. Also, if you hear any external noise, I'm in my hostel, so I'm still in school. And that's the next package is my nails. So if you watch my first AliExpress video, I talked about like how long these nails took for it to like arrive. I had ordered like almost 4 times before these nails arrived. But when it arrived, it was actually quality. I've not used them. And my favorite part about these nails is that it also came with I don't know the word they use for it, these nail tabs. So it's like press-ons that you can, these are the nail tabs. You can just attach it to the base of your nails. Then this is the nails up close. So these are the nails. Like, it's really really cute. It's something that if you want to do like self-care while at home, you can try it out. I've not actually tried it out. I think I might use it for my birthday, my 21st. I'm not so sure if I want to risk it with the length, but never say never, never say never. So yes, that is that on the nails. It's a good purchase. I'm going to leave it on the screen, so if you're interested in getting it, you can also go and get it. The next one is actually this pack of rubber bands, but it's like it has already poured. But this is how the rubber bands came. Like, the pack was actually full. This is it. Because of like I shoot natural hair content, I wanted to get like transparent rubber bands to see how it like make like some content of mine look. And the rubber is actually quite elastic. It's quite quality for the price. I think it's around 300 for a pack of 100 pieces. So it's something that if you are interested, or if you're into natural hair, relax there, or if you just like styling your hair, you can get this rubber band. It's actually very nice. I think that is all for the first package. I'm done with that one. Then for the next package, this is the next package, and yeah, let's unbox this. My friend also helped me collect it, but this one she had to go to Gate to collect it because I wasn't in school at that time, so she had to help me go and pick it up. So one thing you also need to know about AliExpress is that if they do not drop it at your post office and the speeder yeah, I think I'm pronouncing it right, they call you to like maybe the gate of your school, or they call you to like come and pick it up from the rider, you will not be paying any extra money, just that they can call you at any time. But if it's at your post office, you might have to pay money per the weight of your item. So apart from you paying on AliExpress, when you go to post office, you also go and clear it with money, but it's not always like so much. It's just like maybe depending on the weight on and how many things you ordered. So for this pack we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 items. I think that is all. Yeah, 6 items. And yeah, 6 items consists of 7 items. So the first one is this item. I actually like, I've unboxed this one already. It is a pack of facial sheets. So for AliExpress, I know some people can buy like products on AliExpress, skincare products, but I will only advise you can get like gymming wears, like sports bras, this elastic bands. I got it for my sister. It was quality when it arrived. Sheet masks, lip masks, all of that. But when you are talking about products like serums, facial wash, all those kind of things, I actually will not advise you. It is my own personal preference, but if you want to get it, just make sure that the vendor you get it from is legit and there are products that you can go online to check for reviews, so that you don't get anything that will like damage your face. Then the next one is this. It is just like my phone case. I'm super excited about this. Like, I love the look of it, like the frowning face. I really really love it, so that no one touches my phone. It's not like anybody even touches my phone safe. So this one, I just really love the aesthetics of this. And next one, let's just, but this one was like a bracelet. I really really like how it looks. Yes, I know I got it in gold. I don't like really have any bracelet per se. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, it's so cute, I could just buy it. So this is how the bracelet came in. Super nice. As this, and I think it has, okay, it has 3 chains like this. And luckily for me, like my wrists are not so big, they are like small, so hopefully this enters. I really love this one that has like rocks. Then, and this one, but there was one like accessory I ordered from Jumia once, and because it came in something that has like snail, yeah, call me superstitious, but I've not been able to wear that bracelet in a while. So this one, I'm super excited about this, and I think, I'm not really sure about the price, but I don't think it has shipping fee. I'm going to include everything on the screen, so if you want to get it, you can also get this. Then the next one is this one. This is one that has my necklaces, because I ordered 2 necklaces. I ordered one that is like 3 layers, and I ordered one that is an individual layer. So for the 3 layers one, this is how it looks like. 3 layers, and for the individual one, this is how it looks like. I'm going to leave the picture on the screen. I don't want to bring it out because I don't want it to like scatter, and I won't know how to arrange it back. But this is how the 2 of them looks like. I got it in silver because I want it to last longer. In my previous AliExpress video, I got one necklace gold. Merely I shot what I wanted to shoot with the necklace, it faded, so I didn't want a reoccurring process, because my friend actually ordered this on the first time she ordered, and it lasted her quite a while, so that's why I got mine too. Then this order is a pack of stickers. The main reason I actually got this pack of stickers is for my clients, so that once they are done with any hair order, because they will definitely look beautiful, they will also get a free sticker. Like, the stickers are so cute, and I got the one that is like 50 pieces. So far so good. I've had like 2 clients that are doing this, so ensure you book me for your orders. Yeah, book me for your orders. Then the next thing I also brought for my clients, once more. Yes, I got it for my clients once more, because quality is this one. Okay, this pack of clips. On Instagram, this clips is so popular, like just between different colors, and I was like, oh, let me get it for myself, and I might give some clients too. So it came in orange, pink, light pink, purple, blue. The blue ones, I'm definitely going to keep them for myself because they're so cute. Then yeah, these are all the colors it came in. I think I got the one that is a pack of 20. I'm not so sure, but I'm going to leave the price on the screen for you, so if you want it, you can go and buy it. Then this is the last thing in the whole unboxing. Yeah, I also got a pack of rubber bands, but this one was like a situation of what I ordered versus what I got, because on the, like in the picture, the rubber bands look bigger than this, because I wanted to give them like air packers also. But when it came, rubber bands are so tiny. They're so tiny. I don't even think they can pack like iPods. Like they are not so elasticy. So, but this is actually okay. It's okay. I don't mind, but this was not like what I wanted initially. And this is like deep blue, light gray, and dark gray. It's actually super cute, and I think it was around 500 for a pack. Not so sure. I will leave the picture on the screen once again. So that's like all on my orders, on my unboxing. If you enjoyed today's video, kindly let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're interested in the last video on my AliExpress series, the video is going to be about like the new payments method. I'm still going to upload it nonetheless, but if you're interested in it, just let me know in the comment section down below. So it is the new payments method I use when ordering on AliExpress. Ensure you also check out my previous videos. They are very fun, educative, and I recently started a life in my 20s series with my friends, and it's going to be a really fun ride. It's a video podcast, but no, I know what you're thinking, but nonetheless, go and check out the first episode. Not even the first episode, episode 0, and you're going to love it. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.